Dear friends, today's topic is about a China's mini electric car that has overtaken Tesla Model 3 as the best selling electric vehicle in the world. It costs less and let us see in detail about this mini electric vehicle named Hongguang. It is from Wuling Motors. And this Wuling Motors, it has sold over 56,000 electric vehicles in the first 2 months of January and February 2021. This is the front view of the electric vehicle, Wuling Hongguang electric car. It is a common man's car as the company advertised it. And China is not only the biggest car market but also biggest consumer of electric vehicles in the world. As you know, Tesla, it is the world's most popular EV brand, and because of this consumerism in China for electric vehicles, it has lion's share of its business in China. And Wuling Motors, as you know, it is a subsidiary brand of a joint venture between General Motors and China's state-owned SAIC Motor. The price is only 3.20 lakhs in Indian rupee for this car. That is the Hongguang mini electric vehicle. This company is also planning to export these vehicles from China to other countries. Because of the rise in petrol prices, many companies started producing electric vehicles, and vehicles those are non-polluting. And Tesla's Model 3, which is an electric sedan, is one of the highest selling electric vehicle across the globe, right? And this is the back view of the Hongguang mini electric vehicle. And here the American brand was able to retail just 13,700 units of Model 3, whereas the Chinese brand was able to retail 20,000 units, right? And despite being inferior in terms of performance, battery capacity and range compared to Tesla's electric sedan, the mini EV has clocked and has exceeded the sales figure of Tesla because of its convenience and affordability, right, in comparison to its American rivals. Hongguang mini electric vehicle costing just 3.2 lakhs in Indian rupees. Then this is the side view. It looks neat and clean. Hongguang mini electric vehicle. 4 persons can able to accommodate it perfectly, right? And the range of this vehicle is 170 km on a single charge with a top speed of 100 km per hour. The power is obtained from a single electric motor which has an output of 17.4 bhp and peak torque of 85 Newton meter. It measures 115 inches long, 59 inches wide, 64 inches tall. It has a wheelbase of 76.4 inches and weight is 665 kg. And it can seat 4 people at ease as per the company claim. So it is a people's car. This is the top view of the mini electric vehicle. So from the picture itself we can able to see 4 people can be accommodated comfortably. So this is side view of the car, cut section. So comfortable seating is there, right? And as you know, Tesla's Model 3, it has a range of 423 km, and this base variant of this Model 3 Tesla is of 28.93 lakhs as per Indian rupee, or 40,000 US dollar. Also, it provides 3 powertrain options on the Tesla 3 model: Standard Plus, Long Range and Performance. Right, and the Tesla is also planning to bring Tesla Model 3 to India later this year as a completely built unit CBU with an expected price of around 60 lakhs ex-showroom. Already such news have surfaced in the media. So this is another view, side view of the EV electric vehicle from China, and which is outselling Tesla's more upmarket cars. And this car, Hong Kong mini cars, are being marketed as people's commuting tool. It is locally called Wuling Motors. Actually, it's as I said, it is a joint venture partnership between SAIC of China and General Motors of US. And car experts says that it clearly even though this car lags behind Tesla when it comes to battery range and performance, convenience and low price have made it one of China's best-selling vehicle. Right, and this vehicle, the base model, has a top speed of 100 km/h and can accommodate, as I said, 4 people, but at excuse. So this is the mini electric vehicle Hong Kong taking on Tesla. Picture taken from the production unit in China. Okay. So front view also looks nice. This is the website of Wuling Motors. I have checked it using Google. Wuling Motors is a good website. You can able to see in detail about this vehicle. Right. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for watching. And with the rising petrol prices, many people are looking for the electric vehicles and pollution-free vehicles. So my suggestion would be, if you are planning to purchase a car, go for an electric vehicle. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.